Hello Capricorn, welcome to Broadly True Tarot, and this is your reading from 11th of April to 16th of April. So let's check what are the messages for you. Messages for Capricorn. The Earth Mother. Ace of Chalices. Five of Pentacles. The Battle Wagon. And Two of Wands. So here we have Five of Pentacles. You could be in a third party situation, or maybe there is something to do with finances. But right now I see that you are in dilemma. You feel like you are getting ignored. Maybe your person is taking interest in someone else, or maybe they have already chosen someone else over you. But I don't think that this is the complete reality, because here we have the card of the Earth Mother. Something new is about to start. It's a new beginning, it's a new journey, and I see that there is a blessing for you in it. It's hidden, you don't know, you cannot feel it right now because you are sad, you are possibly thinking that everything has ended already and there is no hope. But somehow the universe is granting you your wish with this Ace of Chalices. You are getting heard, your prayers are getting heard, and maybe just when you lost the hope, things have started to change. And with the card of the Battle Wagon, you can expect this person out of nowhere. It would be like, I wasn't expecting you, you are not talking to each other, you are not seeing each other, maybe you have disagreement, and it's like nothing was working because of this third party situation. And now when I say third party situation, it doesn't have to be a romantic interest of your partner, it could be anyone who's being an obstacle in your relationship. And I see that this person is eager to do something, is eager to say something. Maybe you closed them completely. It's like you shut them off completely, and you took your stand. You showed them the door. It's like you said goodbye. Okay, you cannot treat me in this way. I just cannot keep waiting for you. You cannot treat me as an option. If it is so, then you can stick to your other option. You can go to the other person. I cannot be in this insecurity for so long. Okay, so maybe this person is now done. Maybe they have tried everything that they could. They tried to trigger you. They tried to stay away from you. They were resisting their feelings. They thought that, okay, it's you. I mean, it's you who has chosen to walk out of this. It's you who has chosen to stay away from them. And it's fine if you're not talking to them. They will find something else. They will do with it. They will get over it. And maybe they will be happy with the other person, or with their choices that they have made based on others' opinion. But now they know that they cannot hold on to this. They know that their feelings are overwhelming. It's like something is compelling them to come back to you, and it's their own heart. And somehow this person is being a little selfish right now. Okay, maybe they have no permanent plans, because wherever the Battle Wagon appears, this person is short-tempered, short-sighted, and I don't see that they have made a particular plan or they have an idea about the future. they are taking their actions out of their impulse. Maybe they are, feeling emotionally overwhelmed. They cannot tolerate this separation. They cannot bear this separation. And now they are back to you. They are asking for your love and affection because it's like they cannot do without it anymore. They have realized that you are indispensable, and it's a situation where this negativity, where this negative situation has worked in your favor. It's weird to say, but this separation has worked out for you some problems. It looks like that this person is more clear than before. They know what they want, and they are willing to take the step. They are willing to start a conversation. You can expect a call or a message or something from them. Maybe they want to restart this relationship, okay? And possibly they are already ready to leave the other person, or to leave their point of view, a certain point of view, if it was being an obstacle in your relationship. And with the card of the Earth Mother, they want a fresh beginning, like this relationship is born again. You both are born again. They want nothing from the past. However, this is a journal reading. This is not going to resonate for all, and the energy could be reversed as well. And also you can check your moon and rising sign. So let's go ahead and check some more messages for you. Six of Pentacles. Harvest. Ten of Wands. Ten of Chalices. Eight of Wands. So their patience is over. With Ten of Wands, it looks like that this person is tired of carrying those wands. These wands are their own emotions, are their own problems, and they know that they are the cause of it. They know that it has got nothing to do with you. They were negligent. They took you for granted. They took you as an option. And they know that they'll have to get rid of these wands, otherwise they will suffocate, and it's a suffocating feeling for them. And here with the Six of Pentacles, this person is restless. This person needs your help, and they're not afraid to ask for it. You can expect like they are sending you some romantic messages, some messages that might make you feel worried about them, or that might make you feel guilty. And with the Six of Pentacles, this person is looking for your mercy. They know that you have a big heart. You will forgive them, and that is why they are here. They know that they will get whatever they deserve from you. With the card of the Harvest, they know that you are their dream. It's like they put this effort for you, and they are harvesting the same. They deserve you because they have put a lot of effort in this relationship. You have put a lot of effort in this relationship, and now, if it doesn't work, it will be their fault. So they are ready to do the extra work. They are ready to go this extra mile for you. And here with the Ten of Chalices, this person wants to hold you. This person wants to feel you. They want to connect to you emotionally. They want to get lost in your love once more. And with this Eight of Wands, this feels like that actually you're meeting someone again. This person is transformed, and you feel like that they have realized something, they have changed. With the card of the Earth Mother and Eight of Wands, it all feels new, like it just started. You have met for the first time, and you are instantly attracted towards each other. Let's check an oracle message for you. Lemuria. Yes, Lemuria. Creating heaven on earth, it's happening. Okay, so whatever you were looking for is happening. Everything is starting all over again, and it's going to make your life heaven. So positive changes are coming. Be hopeful. So this was the reading for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.